How to generate a QR code of a location on Google Maps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is find the location that you want to create a QR code of. So let me just go ahead and search for Starbucks on New York, and here I've got this location. So all you have to do is click on the share location option. Once you have it, you're going to get this link right here. So go ahead and click on the link. So click on share, click on copy link. Once you have done that, now you're going to go to your other tab. And once you open up this tab, search for canva.com. Canva has this built-in feature where you are able to create QR codes. So what you can do is simply go ahead and click on create. Now click on custom size. Now you're going to enter 1080p and then create a square. So on height, create 1080 as well. And click on create new design. Now once your new design has been opened, it will create a 1080 by 1080 pixel square. On the left side, go to tools and apps. So click on this apps option. Now simply search for QR. So once you search for QR code, hit enter and you'll find the first link right here. Click on it, click on open, and now you can paste the link right here. Click on generate code. Now just wait for it and it will automatically generate the QR code. If you want it to be full screen size, just drag it out like this. And now you can tap on share, click download and select the file type. So it could be JPEG, it could be PNG, PDF, so anything you want, and then click on download. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.